What's up YouTube, it's BOK Worker, and in this video I will be fixing my pocket bike. So what happened was the pull starter had broke when I tried to start it up. So I'll be showing people with this problem how to fix it. So this is my pull starter string. It's old and nasty looking. And still my pull starter handle, so you're gonna need that later on. The tools that you will need is hex key. So if you already have the tools that came with your pocket bike, use those. If you don't, then you're gonna have to buy a hex key. You're gonna need the small hex key right here to unscrew the screws where the pull start part is at. If you do not have a hex key, you can use a screwdriver. You will have to use a small flathead, something like that, and it'll work to unscrew this type of screw right here. And you will also need a shoestring or some type of rope or string to replace your broken pull start string. So you can use a shoestring like this, or a plastic rope like this, but you're gonna have to put some fire on it and melt it so it stick together. But I'm gonna be using this cable. It's basically a charger cord cable that's broken. This works best for me. So what you're gonna want to do is unscrew your part right here. There's going to be 3 screws. There's going to be 1 screw on top of here and 2 screws down here. You're going to have to unscrew. So when you take that off, you're going to want to look inside, and where that hole is at, that's where you're going to put your rope or string or whatever through, and it's going to go through this side right here, so you have to turn it this way. So when you go try to put in, that it automatically pushes through that way. It may be hard the first couple of times, but eventually you will get it. Sorry, I have to take it away from the camera for a minute. It's kind of comfortable. Alright, so I finally got it through. You can see it. You're gonna want to pull it all the way through, but leave a couple of inches, because you're gonna want to tie a knot right here so it doesn't move anywhere. Just 1 knot. And make sure you don't have a lot of rope or string hanging. Alright, something like that. Make it tight. And push it down. Then you're gonna want to push this side in a little, so only this part comes out. You're gonna pull it out and push it in right here around. Oh my god. And you kind of want to turn it so it pushes it in. And pull it through. Just keep turning it. So when you turn it, the rope or whatever is spinning around, turning. Alright, but you want to keep a little piece of this left because you're gonna use it for your handle. So make sure, like, if you still have this piece, just slip it on and put it in here. Then get your handle, slip it on. And once you slip the handle on, you're going to want to tie it at the top. Make it nice and tight like that. Pull it through more, and there you go. You may have to trim it down a little if your string is too long, but there you go. That's how it's supposed to look. Yeah, I gotta put my fairings back on together, but that's it. Seems good. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.